Hey y'all, Nathan Rice with the Airbnb course here, and today, just real quick, I wanted to show you this street that I'm actually standing in the middle of. So you got one side of the street over there, and then there's the other side that goes that way. And Mexico City does this really cool thing where they have these center medians with these huge wide sidewalks and beautiful trees, and then I mean there's even a fountain on this one. It's just really cool to experience. And so that's what I wanted to talk to you about today, is the guest experience. Because I've actually had these really interesting interactions with my guests recently. One of them sent me a message, hey, what's going on with this dog? And then the other one said, hey, the bed is inclined so that my head is lower than my feet. Just totally off the wall stuff, right, that I'm getting from my guests. But here's what I did, okay? I immediately called up each one of them. The guy with the dog didn't answer the phone. And he didn't respond to my messages, so I'm not sure what happened there. And then the other gentleman, I got him on the phone. I said, hey, what's going on? And he just looked at the bed and went out for the night, so he wasn't there. But I told him, I said, look, use some extra pillows if you need to, and if it doesn't work out, I'll swap out the bed tomorrow. Just like laying it on super thick, we're gonna take care of you. And so I followed up with these guys. I called the dog guy the next day, and he said, oh, the dog stopped barking. Thank you so much for getting in touch with me and following up. And then the guy with the inclined bed said it was just like an optical illusion or something, and when he slept on it, it was fine. There was no issue. But I feel like, and these are just a couple of examples, but I feel like guests just want to know that you're going to be there to take care of them, because there is so much horrible customer service out there. I mean, recently I had to let go of my accounting firm because their billing was all messed up. My cleaning crew was billing me more professionally than my accounting firm. I'm looking for another plumber because just a number of things related to the customer experience. I made an appointment. I was promised a call back, and then I called to follow up because I never got the call back, and she goes, oh, I thought I called you. And it's, no, you didn't. So I'll be looking for a new plumber, and just a number of things, right? So when you are that one person out there who shows that you care about your guests, you will stand out, and you're going to get great reviews. You're going to get raving fans of your Airbnb. You're going to start getting repeat customers and more revenue. Okay, so all you got to do is keep that guest experience top of mind. And if you want to learn more about how to run an Airbnb remotely, how to run an Airbnb so that you've got a team behind you, how to do this whole business, a great place to start. Open up the description in this video, and you're gonna see a link where you can sign up for my free 3-part video series on how to start your Airbnb, how to find the right place to open it, tools I use, all kinds of great content in there for free. And I hope to see you inside. And also subscribe to the channel if you like seeing these videos. Nathan Rice with the Airbnb course. See you soon.